Okay, we're out. Alright. I'm out in the woods here, out with my cousin. We're out adventuring a little bit. He's on his quad. I have the VanVan out here. Now this is something the Kawasaki, the other motorcycle, is not good for. This and the VanVan is the better bike in this case. But some of you, there's a few of you out there might be familiar with this area, the Brookville area, that is out here. There's these things called scripture rocks. I forget the exact history of them, and some guy way back in the day, maybe some kind of religious nut or fanatic or whatever, he went around out in the woods and he's carved scripture into these big rocks out in the woods. And there's a better known, most popular ones out, I think, along Route 36, or maybe that's still on 28. Anyway, there's, parking and everything for the scripture rocks. Well, there are some lesser known ones scattered out in the woods that a lot of people don't know about. And you can see there's some pretty big rocks out in these woods. Well, I'm standing by this one right here. Okay, and we knocked some leaves and stuff off of it. The more popular ones I think are maintained and swept off. But if you know where to go out here in the woods, let me see if I can do this. Now I'm gonna have to climb up on this big rock somehow. All right, we're gonna go for it. I'm gonna lay you down here for a minute. Yeah. Hang on, you still there? All right, check this out. Now, it's ENLA, maybe R, and large EM. It looks like that might say enlargement. Yeah, ENT. Now, I don't know why it would say enlargement, because it doesn't appear to be anything else down below it. Alright, my cousin says I might as well quit wasting my time up here on this one and come down and see what the nice one. Again, these are all lesser known ones out here that a lot of people don't know about. Alright, you can see, they're not real big rocks, but, they are. They're kind of fair size. But we're going to get on over the hill down here to this one here. There's my cousin down there doing some scraping and cleaning. See what we can see. Yeah, we can only bring the vehicles up here so far, the quad and the VanVan, because there is a nice path that comes all up through here, but a lot of old trees have fallen on it. We could only come up so far. Had to walk the rest of the way. And there's a really nice creek that goes through the valley here that we had to cross. Okay, we just came from that rock up there. This first one here, yeah, I apologize for a shaky camera here, but this is my phone, not my GoPro, so we'll try to keep it steady. It's stuff that's hard to make out. I don't know. I don't know what that says. That might mean like Matthew something 13. I don't know. But there's some of down here that is easier to read, at least parts of it. If we back down this same rock, in real big letters, it says light, and John 3:19. Wait, it gets better yet down here on these other rocks though. Let's see. Yeah, it'd be nice to get a big stiff push broom down here or something, and someday somebody clean these off. Wait, it says heart. turning, I think. Turning. Heart turning. And there doesn't appear to be anything below that, but what's this say? I don't know. AL in between them. Probably reference to some scripture. I don't know. But now, this one over here, I think it gets better yet. Doesn't mean we can read it, but there's a lot more, a lot more here. Yeah, it'd be cool to get some mobile pressure washer down here, actually. I don't know what that says. Down here it gets a little better. Prove all. I don't know. Over here it doesn't even look like it's in English. There's some symbols. No, I don't know. I don't know what it all means. It's craziness. The guy was supposed to be a little kooky too. That doesn't mean he was a bad guy. Okay. Yikes. We're up here a little ways. Wouldn't want to slip. It's all down there. Looks like some kind of well. Like a cistern down there. There's that square box. Water flowing into it. Heck, as I'm digging around, there might have been a little cabin or something out here somewhere too. Anyway, we're gonna look around out here for a little while. There's another big giant rock down there, right there along the creek. Let's see what else we can find out here. See if we can make our way back to where the quad and the motorcycle are too. So they're out there somewhere. Okay, we've cleaned a section here off. We're still in that same rock down from the rock I started off at. But this whole area, let me jump down here. Okay, it has a good bit on it here that's easier to read. It says, the battle, let me see. The battle is not yours but God's. His place of defense shall be the munitions of rocks. Bread shall be given him. Pretty cool. Then it references the verse or chapter and all that stuff it's from. What's the rest of it say? Where is it? He had a bow and a crown was given him, and he went forth. What's that say? Conquering and to conquer. My cousin's here. He's assisting me. I can read it. Actually, I can read it better through the phone. I was looking at the rock itself, and actually, if I look, I can make out the letters better looking through my phone here. Okay, you want to run over that a little smoother than what I did?
Probably not, but I'll give it a try.
Give it a try here, and I'll try to do a better over shot here.
All right, this first one says, the battle is not yours, but God's. And from what scripture, second Christian, I'm not sure what it is. The second one goes, his place of defense shall be the munitions of rocks. Bread shall be given him. And that's from, I think, Isaiah 33:10, 17.
Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah. And the last one is, he had a bow, and a crown was given him. And he went forth conquering and to conquer. And I don't know what that's from.
Taken from the lesser known scripture rocks out in the middle of the woods.
Down by the North Fork Creek.
Shh.
Brookville.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm afraid to see how shaky this video is going to be. Decided to come down over the hill here where that spring is at. Cousin, what are you doing over there?
Oh, trying to make out what else is on these rock strips. More writing, but they're pretty far lost over.
Alright.
And I'm done scraping.
Alright, here's this little spring coming out of here. That's some pretty nice clean looking water there.
No chlorine in that. Fluoride or whatever the fuck you get. Yeah, I actually used to hunt off this rock. You can see this whole length of this cliff and the other side of the ridge over there.
Alright, we're hiking back to the quad and the Suzuki. And these were the culprits that stopped us. We could only come up the trail so far, and we decided to walk the rest of the way. There they are, all safe just like we left them. And my low fuel light came on, so. But I'm still good for probably 30 or 40 miles when that happens. So we're only a couple miles in, we'll be fine. Get the heck out of here. Well, there's something else we want to check out too. Alright, I messed up. I actually found the mount for my GoPro. I didn't think to bring it. I didn't think to bring the GoPro. You know, we could have GoPro'd it around through the woods here on these trails and across the creeks. I just didn't think to bring it. If we go do this again, I'll make sure I'm cameraed up. Alright, I hate recording with this phone, but alright, we're out doing exactly what the VanVan was meant to do, is out a little bit of street, a little bit of trail. And it's one of my favorite spots here out in these woods. Been out here before some years ago, but here's this old fireplace. It stands out here all by itself. It's not collapsing or anything, but there's a couple of features about it that are pretty cool that's still in it. Actually, I don't know if I still have the pictures here. Last time we come out here, I actually built a little fire in there. I couldn't help myself. Yeah, just to bring it back to life, and smoke coming out of the top. I'll see if I can't find those pictures. You know, it's a long and nice trail. People hike and ride quads and dirt bikes, bicycles, whatever. But you know, there's been fires in here. We got a little firewood stash on the side, but it has these metal things on here, like there's some sort of bracket that hinged on those, maybe for swinging a big old cast iron skillet or kettle or Dutch oven or something, but you know, in over the fire and then back out. But I'm guessing there was a cabin or something here. I mean, don't just put a fireplace in the middle of the woods and, you know. Let me turn back around here. Yeah, it's just really cool, just a fireplace out in the middle of the woods. I don't know if the rocks were such that there was someone maybe made a bench in front of here or what, but yeah, little VanVan out beating around in the woods, out adventuring. And then my phone ran out of space to record any more video. So we came back, we're done, gonna get some lunch, and we're gonna get ready and head back down to the garage. I got a bunch of parts that I know have been delivered. Got some projects coming up on the bounder, and we'll go from there. I hope you enjoyed our adventure today, and thanks for watching as always. We'll be back soon. I'll see you.